Hi, I'm Anita. Welcome to my channel. Look what I got in the mail today. Today I'm doing a product review for Beebeecraft. This is a new vendor I have not tried yet. Beebeecraft is an online craft supply store. They sell beads, findings, jewelry making supplies, tools, and much more. They offer free shipping on orders over $25. Also, if you have a YouTube channel with at least 100 subscribers, you can apply to participate in their YouTube program and receive products and do product reviews and tutorials for them. It's a pretty cool program. There will be a link posted in the description box below to check out the program if you're interested. If you would like to place an order with Beebeecraft, I have a coupon code, ANITA20, that's ANITA 20. That will save you 10% off your order. My discount code will be on the screen and in the description box below. So the links in the description box below apply to all the products reviewed today. Use the link to the Beebeecraft homepage to place your order. So let's get started and see what all the goodies are in this really huge bag. For starters, I will say that they do package their product real well. It came in a bubble wrapped envelope, and the product is also bubble wrapped, so that's double bubble wrap. So let me pull all of this stuff out and we'll see what all I need to get sorted. Goodness. Oh my goodness. So I've got a list of the items that I ordered. Let me get this organized and then I'll go into detail as to what all the items are, prices and quantities. All right, for my first item, I ordered the PandaHall Elite Multicolor Iron Split Rings, diameters 5mm, and I wanted to have an assortment of these because I like to use split rings for some of my bracelets, and it's just as sturdy as a soldered O-ring, but you have a little bit more versatility with a split ring, is that you can interchange it or take it off or change it. This came in a really nice envelope. So this has a total of 1,300 pieces. And let me see if I can get this out of the package here. And this is a split ring or O-ring opener, which is something extra they included. That's kind of nice. So here it are the split rings. Let's take a peek at these. Got an assortment of metal colors. Now, on top of this being packaged in bubble wrap, this also has a coating of plastic over it to protect it so it doesn't come open. So let me get this removed and then I'll show you up close what's in here. Okay, I got these unwrapped and let me just go into detail here. These are 5mm split rings. And as you can see, that's a really bright silver color. Those are really pretty. Nice and shiny. And it's nice that they come in this case. Let's see if you can see that. Split ring it's like a mini key ring. And these are great for extra sturdy fastenings on bracelets or necklaces. I like to have split rings on hand. So that's the bright silver. They also have it in a bronze. There's the bronze, really pretty. Very nice. Then this is the gold plated. Quite a few of these. Very generous amount. Now this whole container was $5.75, and that was for 1,300 pieces. I'm not sure what the count is for each color, but you get quite a few. Just divide that by 6. And this is a gunmetal color. Great for dark black colored projects. Very nice. And then this is kind of a nickel color or antique silver looking here. Very nice. And then these are copper, kind of an antique copper color. So this is great. It's nice to have an assortment of findings like this so that you're ready to go for any project that you have in the works. So 1,300 pieces is quite a bit. That's about 216 pieces per color or per metal. So very generous amount, and as I mentioned, that was $5.75. That's a really great deal. So let me go on to my next item. All right, my next item are MIYUKI round Rocailles beads, Japanese seed beads. There's 10 grams here. This is a size 11-0. And let me see if I can tell you what color this is. Hold on one second. All right, I just looked up the color, and these are called dyed aqua green silver-lined alabaster. These are 11-0s, good quality MIYUKI seed beads, and there's 10 grams here. And this was $1.62 for 10 grams, and that's a really good price. Aren't those pretty? It's a very light green color. Very nice. So let me go on to my next item. Holy moly, this is my next item. I ordered lobster clasps, as you can tell. Oh my God, there's 1,000 pieces. These are NBEADS is the manufacturer, and they're zinc alloy lobster claw clasp, platinum, 14 by 8 millimeter, 1,000 pieces, $14.05. So let me take a few of these out so you can see these up close. Oh my gosh, these are, I had no idea it was going to be this big of a package, but I'll tell you what, I use lobster clasp a lot, and these are going to last me for a very long time. So here they are, up close, 14 millimeter, 14 by 8, and platinum. So I would say these are nickel-free, lead-free. Bring this up close. It's a nice looking lobster clasp. Let's check the spring. Yeah, those work nice. Good quality. I'm impressed. Well, I won't be needing lobster clasps for the rest of my life. So that's a really great deal. $14 for 1,000 pieces. My God, this will last you forever. So great quality. I'm impressed and very happy with the amount and the price. Very reasonable. So let me get my next item. All right, for my next item, my goodness. These are 4 millimeter electroplated glass beads. There's 20 strands. It's pearl luster plated, and it's kind of an iridescent purple. Oh my gosh, look at that. 20 strands. I've got a lot of purple. So here it is up close. And as I said, these are 4 millimeter. If you could see that up close. It's a very iridescent purple color. And it's got shades of copper that shimmer through. And these are glass, very pretty. That's 20 strands, and this cost $8.75. That's a real deal. And these measure 4.5 by 3.5, 4 millimeter. The hole is 0.7 millimeter. Wow. It's a lot of beads here. It's actually approximately 200 per strand is what they're estimating. And these are gorgeous. Wow. It's a really deep, deep purple with a very iridescent coating that comes through. Very nice. Oh, by the way, let me mention real quick, the color on these is called dark violet. These are just beautiful. All right, so let me go to the next item. For my next item, this is 1 strand, and these are, brand is called Arricraft, baking painted pearlized glass pearl rounds in white, and they measure 4 to 5 millimeter. The hole is 1 millimeter, and it's 1 strand. You get about 210 pieces here. So let me pull these out of the bag. Oh, those are really nice. Very nice. Very nice bright white. Very nice, beautiful luster on these. And that's a very large strand. Look at that. You get 210 pieces. So this is a good amount. You can make many, many projects with this. I'm very pleased. Before I go on to the next item, I believe I don't think I mentioned the price on these. It was one strand, 210 pieces, and it's $2.25 for one strand. Very reasonable. Very pretty. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, for my last item, these are made by a company called Honeyhandy, and these are glass pointed back rhinestone Rivolis, and these are 8mm, I believe. Let me take a quick look. Yes, these are grade A, back-plated, cone shape, and the color is Vitrail medium. And these are 8mm Rivolis, and it was 100 pieces for $4.67. And they come well packaged, except the only gripe I would have about this is that they're not, they come in these little trays, but during the transit, some of these, they kind of pop out. So they didn't sit in their little perspective cubicles here, but they are absolutely gorgeous. That's the only thing I'm not wild about, how they kind of came out all over the place, but overall packaging is excellent. So they're in great shape. These are just beautiful. They've got that nice rainbow color. If I can bring that up close so you can see. And I've got 100 of these, so these are going to last me for a while. I didn't have very many 8mm chatons, and I wanted to get something, so I ordered these Rivolis, and these are point back with a foil back. Just beautiful. And again, that was 100 pieces for $4.67. So all I have to do is just put them back in their little squares here, and they are nice and protected so they're not rubbing against each other. So it's a nice little tray that's going to hold them all until I'm ready to use them on a project. So stay tuned and you'll see what I'll be making with some of this stuff. So let me get it all arranged and I'll be right back. All right, I could barely get this to fit in the frame of the camera. So here it is, my recent Beebeecraft order. Oh my goodness, this is just an awesome deal, good quality, and I'm really looking forward to making some beautiful jewelry with these items. All right, well that's everything. If you decide you'd like to place an order with Beebeecraft, my coupon code is Anita20, and that will save you 10% off your entire order. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope that you do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos, because I'm constantly putting up new videos for either unboxings or jewelry tutorials. Thank you to those of you who have subscribed and liked and commented on my videos. I really appreciate your return visits to watch my videos. I have a website where I sell my own jewelry. It's called Bead Creations by Anita-768558.square.site. You'll see the link below in the description box. So you can also check out my creations on there. Keep an eye out for periodic sales with some great deals. Have a wonderful week and happy beading. See you next time.